Hi, Chuck Huber here for the Stata YouTube channel. Today I'd like to show you the Bayesian multi-level modeling features in Stata 17. You can now include random effects in your BayesMH commands to fit multi-level models. You can include random effects terms just as you include covariates. You simply list them following the dependent variable. For example, you can specify U1 as a random intercept at the student level, U2 as a random intercept at the student nested within teacher level, U3 as a random interaction between the crossed levels student and teacher, and U4 as a random slope for the continuous variable age. Here's an example of a two-level model with repeated observations of the dependent variable score measured on students at different ages. You can include a random intercept at the student level by typing U and placing the student ID variable in square brackets. You can specify a prior for the variance of the random intercept U by placing var_U in squiggly brackets. If the students are nested within teachers' classrooms, you can fit a three-level model by including a random intercept at the student within teacher level by typing U and placing student greater than teacher in square brackets. If the students are nested within teacher's classroom, but the students are placed in different classrooms each year, you can fit a three-level crossed random effects model by including a random intercept at the student within teacher level by typing U and placing student #teacher in the square brackets. You can include a random slope for age at the student level using factor variable notation. Simply type c.age #U3 and place the student ID variable in square brackets. You can fit multivariate multi-level models using this notation and placing the individual models in parentheses. You can even add constraints to random effects and fit nonlinear multi-level models using substitutable expressions. You can learn more about Bayesian multi-level modeling in Stata 17 by visiting our website and downloading the manual. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for stopping by.